Welcome! If you want everyone to see your relationship status on Facebook using the PC app and you're wondering how to do it after the latest update, you're in the right place. In just a few quick steps, you'll make your relationship status visible to everyone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're logged in to the right account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This takes you straight to your personal profile page. Now you're on your profile. From here, look for the About section. Click on it to open up more details about yourself. This is where you can edit and update all your personal information, including your relationship status. Inside the About section, you'll see an Overview tab. Click on Overview. Here, you'll find your relationship status displayed among other details. Next to your relationship status, there's a small audience icon. It might look like a globe, two heads, or something similar depending on your current privacy setting. Click on that audience icon. A menu will pop up with different options for who can see your relationship status. To make it visible to everyone, select the Public option. This means anyone who visits your profile, whether they're your friend or not, will be able to see your relationship status. After you've selected Public, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your relationship status is now set to be visible to everyone on Facebook. If you ever want to change who can see this information in the future, just repeat these steps and pick a different audience. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.